Hello everyone, I have audible. That's all right. Okay, so in yesterday's video, we built this learning of the day thing. So I hope you can see this, right? So, let me restart it. It's a double application. Let me put a not new value, okay? Without the link, let's say the guns is 111002. Set. Yeah, so when it's mixed itself and it should be. So in yesterday's video, we learned about this learning of the day thing, right? What you can do is, if you long press on it, it enters the edit mode with the text on it, and if you delete this, you see now. So and you can click on update, it will be update, and but if it's not there, right? So let's completely delete complete thing. So if you completely delete everything, click on update and close it. Now if there is nothing, right? So when you open it, it should open as a text field. That is, you can enter your text and save. But if there is something, so today what we'll be learning is, today we'll be learning about image picker, right? So image picker for Flutter. Click on save. And if you see, now it gets saved, right? And when you open it, it gets this. So one problem is something, the card you see in the top, right? This should not be scrolled. If you see, when I scroll this should not be scrolled up to, only this thing should get scrolled, right? So let me fix the main thing. So let's go to main. And how it is designed is, so if you go, this is the scaffold, this is the main page, and in the body we have a single cell scroll view, and this is controlling all of the things, right? But let's do one thing, let's not control all of the things, but wake up this, let's put all of this inside a scroll view, but not the complete thing. So let me do one thing, let's remove this scroll view from here, and one second. So let me remove this from here. Let's give everything same, but from here let's put a column, and column why is the recommendation not working? Okay, and you put children, inside the children we'll put most of the things. So let's go up to this and make it forward one more. So this and this will wrap with the single child scroll view. So wrap it widget, single child scroll view. Okay, we'll represent single child scroll view, single child scroll view. Let's save this. Okay, it throws an error saying this, and what we can do, put this in expanded. Okay, so now when you scroll, but it goes to the top, if you see, right? We don't want it to go like this. And 1 second, so how this works is, let's do one thing, let me try to copy the same thing again and again for 2-3 times. Save this, Okay, it goes behind it, but this is not how it should work. So we want that single cell scroll view, right? And what if instead of column I put list view? So let's remove this and remove this. Expanded child list view and children. Remove the column, or else move the total column, right? So move this column, remove this column. What we want to achieve is this should not go. If you see there's a behind it, right? So let's see. We'll save this. And expanded list view. Scroll direction vertical. Control of primary shrink wrap. Why it is not good? Let's reload once. So why does it scroll behind it? Like we have a safe area in the body. There's a column. So the complete thing is part of a column, but this column also has okay, see that it has this list view inside it, which is expanded to take up the all the width, take up the remaining space and put the list view in it. And okay, let's do one thing. Let's bring up Chrome and let's search for it. So my list view scroll is behind other component in a column. It will be less scrollable column. The best way to make the column scrollable, making the column child of structure and then assigning the overflows from parent component scroll texture. So what we wanted to is so what is happening is it's showing like it's taking the complete thing, the top one also, right? So it's making the complete thing as part of it. The card is also part of it, but what we want that it should have a, suppose it should have a line here, and you should not be able to see the thing going behind it, right? This is what I wanted to do. So what we can do is what is happening is a sized box. Complete thing is sized one sized box, and this is a column. Alignment is center, and if we remove the sized box, let's say nothing changes. Okay, it's fine, and everything's part of column. This is also one column. That is not the issue. The issue from this expanded list view, and why is this going behind? So it is working as if one more thing, if you see clearly, right? If I go half, okay, if I go half, okay, it's there. So I should not show up this on behind actually. So how will this work? Interesting. Okay, let's not put so much of time there. I'll look into it. I think in the next video I'll say if I found a solution for this. So today's video is not about this. So today, what we wanted to do is we should have one more column here, like learning of the day, but they should be able to take up a picture from the local so that we can post it to. It's a picture of the day. Okay. So let's put this also in the general, since every day we'll have only one of those. So inside the general, let's create one more folder called picture and create the view of it, view.dart. Okay. They should be same as what the view.dart of this is. So we'll copy the container part of it up to the body of it. Okay, go to pictures, stateless. We want stateless consumer and picture of the day view. Okay, and let's import material and import the Flutter also, and let's return this. So we'll get some error, but it's not of concern for now. So this one, first let's put up a state. So that's the provider of it. So providers dot dart, and this will be our open and close expansion thing, right? So we'll just type provider. So picture expansion open state. Picture expansion open state. What do we name for others? Lesson expansion open state. So let's put this a picture. Let's give the same name for that. Picture expansion. This will be of type boolean, and by default it will return false. Okay, and import river pod. Picture expansion open state, and not this. Here we want to save this, not the toggle mode. Okay, import the requirement. Okay, this is working. And lesson expansion state, let's define this also. Fine, instead of lesson we'll put the picture. Ref.watch and picture expansion open state. What is the name of the provider? Plus picture expansion open state. Not this. And one second. So people do this mistake of naming the same thing twice. So let's go to lesson earnings and view. Lesson expansion open state provider. Okay. Got it. So we also have state provider here. Okay, that's good. So you should avoid using the same name, right? So if you start using the same name, then it will create a problem, right? So it's provider. So it will be picture expansion open state. Okay, this is working for us, and open state, not open state, is the provider. That is correct. So up to this it's correct. Now we need to close the expansion panel and put it under children. So open this, put it under children, and then close up the expansion list and clip our React. Close up the expansion list, close up the expansion and React, and then we need to close the container. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, and now let's import this picture of the day view. So let's go to main.dart and picture of the day view and put the size box below it. Restart the app. We need to restart because it's a new element, right? So why did we get this? 1 second. It's not 120, but it's height of 16. What am I doing? Okay, so still it's saying the same name, but we want to change the name. So it's not learning of the day, it's picture of the day. Okay, that is done for us. So what we want is when we want to expand, right now we want that it should have a picture, and if there is already a picture, then show the picture. If it's not there, then show an upload button. So let's put something like this. So it will have a fill button and on pressed this is where we'll update the picture, and we'll put a child of text. Open up and let's save this. So what we want that if there is no picture, we'll click on upload, but if there is already a picture, right, then we'll show the picture of it, but we want to define it. So what we can do for this is general task, right? We can again call the general task. So let's go to a general task provider and the repository, not repository, the model. Let's put one more thing. This is this dot picture of the day. So picture of the day. So this is one more. After learning picture of the day. So what is picture of the day will be? This will be the link to the storage file. Okay, the picture we want to put in Firebase store, and we'll keep the link of this in picture of the day. Same thing will go here. So picture of the day, general picture of the day. Okay, something like this. And let's go to repository. Here the repository will have two things. So when you update learning of the day, right, and let's put one more thing, update picture of the day. As I said, right, in the general everything will have a predefined empty string, like every field will have an empty string. So there's a guarantee that if it's the call happened to the server side, then we will get an empty thing. So here what we can do, learning of the day. Before updating it on learning of the day, we need to upload the picture, right? Upload the picture to Firebase storage. First we need to do this, then we need to get the URL, then we need to update the URL. Okay, update the URL thing is here. So we can do something like learning of the day, then we can do picture of the day. Here the day. Let me update the Firebase. I'm not showing you the Firebase as I said. Once I have a proper idea, I will show you. Let me put the picture of the day. It's the general thing. Yeah. Add picture of the day. So we have a picture of the day now on the backend. So this picture of this will be picture of the day. The providers will also want to update this update learning of the day, and this will be will also have update picture of the day, and this will update picture of the day. Okay, and the model is done. Model is done. Provider is done. Repository is done. For general, this is the thing. We need to first update all the model provided repository. Then let's go to the picture. So provider we done. So in the view, now we need to watch the general task, right? So general task, and we need to watch it. Ref.watch general task provider. Okay, and here is what we can do. The same thing like we did the others, right? So we'll do general task dot when. Put it the same name, general task. One second, let's put the same naming convention, general tasks. We'll check up task. We get the general task, and here the general task will be part type of general task, and what we'll be getting here is we'll be getting picture of the day, right? So we'll be getting the URL, and we want this URL. We need to do a network call to get the URL, right, and show it. So if there is no URL, then we'll show this upload. But if there is URL, then we'll show the URL picture. Okay. So if return general task dot picture of the day is empty. So first let's do is not empty. If it's not empty, then this is what we wanted to show. We wanted to show a container, and we wanted to show the image. Okay, I'm just saying the text here, but we'll show the image using the image picker and all this thing, right? We'll show the image asset, and if it's not there, that is when we'll show the fill button. Okay, so let's put it here. Child fill button this, and in the error we'll do object stack center child text. Something went wrong, and we'll put the object image. Okay, and for the loading it's the same thing. For the loading we'll just put center child circular progress progress indicator. So now we have some problems. So fill button is this one, and return container or fill button. Data, this is correct. So return, and this will be the return. This will be this. So when the name parameter address is equal button, then we need to remove this, get the error, get the loading, and then complete the when. Let me save this. So where does the when block end? So when block ends here, expected to find this. So let me put one more of this and click on save. Okay, so and you don't have to think of the error because we need to restart it, then everything will start working again. So let me restart everything. Let's put a constant for everyone. Okay. Now if you got a picture of the day, you get upload because picture is empty, right? But if I put a something on the database, let me put it on Firebase directly. So I've just added something on Firebase, okay? And now if I restart the app, and go here, you'll see I've added this image, right? So this is working. So what do we need to do now is like when you click on upload, now this is where we need to use the package that I was talking about, right? We need to use the image picker so that we can pick up the image. So let me bring up Chrome. Image picker. Pop.tab. So this is the image picker that we want. I hope you can see the screen, right? So if you see, it's provided by Flutter, and Flutter plugin for iOS and for picking images from the image library and taking a picture with the camera. Okay, and what do we need to do? We need to add the image picker. We're not doing for iOS, so it's better for Android. The Android implementation support to pick multiple images and no configuration required. And image picker. How do you make this work? So let's see the example. So what do we need to do? We need to get an instance of image picker. Okay, that's correct. Then I need to play any video or anything on image button pressed. Source with context is multi-image pulse, is media pulse. Let's just mountain. Picking up video. Let's do one thing. Let's just start writing it so that we'll get it. So first we'll install image picker. So let me get the data difference. Image picker. That one and finding image picker equals to image picker. Okay. So we'll get an instance of image picker and let's directly see what the doc says. Flutter authors and image picker provides an easy way to pick up image or video from image library or to take a picture with camera. The internet that drives image picker get platform. An X file object wrapping the image across split. The return X file is intended to be used within a single app session. Do not select the file path and use it across session. So use preferred camera device to specify the camera to use with the source image search. The preferred camera device is ignored when source is image source.gallery. So we want always to be image source.gallery, okay? Or since we want to pick the image, we don't want to directly click it from here, because you may be having some editing or something on your main device, right? So preferred camera device. So let's do preferred. Do we have anything to? So where do you add this? Pick image. Okay, and this is when you get pick an image. So let's create a void. Select image. And what we'll do here is we'll do image picker dot pick an image, and we need to pass a source. What is the source? The source argument controls where the image comes from. This can be either image source of camera, image source of gallery. So we want it to be image source dot gallery. Okay, then the preferred camera device signal when source is image. Okay, source becomes image or gallery, then preferred camera device is not necessary. Okay. See also multi-value user to select pick multi-image. See also pick. We don't want multi-image. We want only one image. And preferred camera device will not be image quality. What is image quality? The image quality argument modifies the quality of the image ranging from 1 to 100, where 100 is the original max quality. If image quality is null, the image with the original quality will be returned. Compression is for certain image subsets effect and this. Okay, so we don't have to worry about image quality, max height, width, and anything. Okay, that's it. So when you pick an image, then you get an X file as a return. So what is X file actually? So let's do one thing. Let me await here. Let me make this an async so that I know. Equals to this. Await. So I get the complete X file. So what can X file do? Image. We can get last modified, length, open, read, save to string, call. It's a type of X file. Let me see. Okay. What is X file? X file and construct a cross file object from its path option. This can be initialized with bytes and length. So no HTTP CPS performance data later. Name may pass from the outside for those cases where the effective path of the file does not match where the user is selecting. So if this is the image, and what we can do is the picture of the day, we need to pass the to get the image, right? And so what I was thinking is like where the issue is coming is like if you see the picture, right, and if you see the repository and see how the providers work is when you update the picture you pass general task, right? So how do you pass that picture to? We need to pass the picture also here. So what do we do? we can separate out the upload part of it. So when you click on upload, right? When you click on upload, we directly call this repository to upload it, and in return we get the we don't change the state when you upload, but when we update it, then we change it. That can be done. Okay, so we don't update picture, we say upload. Upload picture, right? So upload picture, what you do? You upload the picture and return the URL. This URL we can pass to upload picture of the day. And change it here. Okay, so you can go in the view. If we pass the reference here, right? So if we pass results right here. So we pick an image and we upload the image. So what we can do is we can do ref.rate, general task, repository provider, so upload picture. And this is where we'll upload the picture, and this will in fact return the URL, right? Something like this, right? So we return the URL. So this will be of type string. Put the weight here. Now we can use this to update it. So now we can just write ref.read general task provider dot notifier update picture of the day. We need to pass the ID of it. So string ID. Pass the ID here. But we need to make it general task. ID of ID. Then picture of the day will become the URL. Something like this. So picture, and here we can load the picture. So what we'll do is first, when you select an image, we'll pick up an image and should you upload the picture when they click upload, or so if there is a picture, so you can pick an image, and if there is an image, then you can click on upload. So first we select an image and we show up the image so that you can reset it if you want. Then click on upload. Okay. Yeah, that will be a better option. So select image can be something like this. So instead of select, this will be upload image. We'll have one more called select image. Select image. This will select the image, and it will not only select, it will also will have a provider. So it will have an instead provider. This will be a selected image path. Selected image path state. Okay, this will be of type string. So we can do something like we'll be watching for it. Selected image equals to ref.watch. So if there is a selected image, and put a column here. Children. It's very selected image. We hit the upload. First, let's put two rows here. We will put a row here, and this will have two fill button. So first will be select image. First will be select image, and there will be one more. It will be for upload. If I select image, it should be explanatory because it's part of image. Select and upload, and let's put this in the center. And access alignment at center, and access alignment at center. The size box will be 8. Okay, so you select or you upload. So you cannot upload if there is select, and you can do here something like this. Selected image, if selected image is equals to null, then no press, or else there is a press. Okay, so it's the upload will be disabled if there is no image. Upload can only be done when you already select an image. Okay, so you need to select an image, and when you click on select image, and this will call select image. What was the name? Select image. So when you press select, it will select image, and you select a picture, it will upload the state, and you can then upload it. But if there is already a select, right, then So if the selected image is not equals to null, that means there is already a image. Then it should do image dot file image dot what can others do, image dot set what is the file used for. So creates a widget that displays image string obtained from file. Either the width and height argument should be specified or the widget doesn't contains the file constant. So here if you see, you get an X file, right? So image name, we can get the path of it. So if you get the path and the file cannot be then this, so let me bring up our Chrome. Image from device using path Flutter. Open image from file path. What image file or content. Imaging image picture gets an image from the line. I save the path of the image in a list. How can I open the image from the path and write that image at path? It doesn't work result. So you can do the image class is a file constructor for that file. Get the path. Write an image file path icon. Another exception was string is not a subtype type file. Insurance and I got this class image is no instant get a URL to your write that image dot file on content this content. Initial icon next year we have an import data and not data HTML because sometimes import domain. Okay, so what we need to do is you can do image.file. Here you can add file and pass the path here. If it's not selected, then just put a container or something. So the path will become selected image because this will get the path, right? If you see here, so we didn't yet, but yeah, let me do. Widget reference. So you get the image, so and you can do this ref dot read which picture dot notifier dot state equals to path or image. The property path can be anything because the receiver can be typing in the sequence. Okay, so this can also be null, right? So when they cancel, so we can do something if image dot image is not equals to null. you can just put something like this. So this will be null if the select image is not there. So select image also will need the reference. So what we can do is you can pass the reference here. Now if you select an image, it should get it and it should pick up the file, and whatever the size is, it will just put up the size. We are not constraining the height and width for now. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, let me restart the app because we installed a new package. So yeah, I can help you set up your VS Code. Just tell me what you want to do. I shall help you. Or what you did not get while setting up, and which feature you want to set up. I'll show it how to do. So now let's go to picture of the day. Select. Says no implementation for method pick image. General plugin. Missing plugin exception. Put image on source. Why we're getting exception? It does not have permission to access the camera output of the camera. Plugin is already in use. Temporary file. So plugin activity could not be allocated or due to unknown error. What we got the error for, if you say so, let me put this on Chrome. Missing plugin information of image Flutter image picker and the hot reloading. Yes, I solved my problem by simply running command Flutter clean after this binders and it started working correctly. Okay, it seems like we need to stop once and restart. Okay, let's try out that. So it's built very well. to select an image, get the image, get the path, and if the path is correct and it's not null, then get the file, or else just show a container. This is a dummy thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, the app is starting. Okay, a picture of the day. Open this, select image. Okay, we don't have any photos of this. Let's put up one photo. So this will keep a screenshot of the picture in the token. So select image. Go to this and this should be the TCIM screenshots. New items. Let's do one thing. In the emulator, let's go to Chrome and let's download a picture. Okay? Just bring up this. How do you save a picture on picture? You can't save a picture. Let's go to Pexels. Okay, we'll go to Pexel and download an image. PEXELS. Pexel, search for photos and go for nature. Go for it. This looks good. Download it. Download. Okay, this file is downloaded. Let's close Chrome. Go for hit the back button once, twice. Okay, select hit an image, click on the image. Okay, we do get the image, but since the image has its own dimension, right, it's throwing an error. So what we can do, we can put in height and width now. So at least for now, for this path it's working, that you can select an image and that image will be coming up here using the path. Okay, so what we'll do is what can the file receive? So it can receive scale, that is whatever the scale is. So the height of let's put an height of let's get the size. So we'll define it. Size media query dot size of context. And the size dot height, we'll get the 40% of height, and the width can be size dot width of 30%. Fit box fit dot fill, and this is happening because okay, there's one mistake from my side, so it should not be here. this should be here. Okay. If you see here, it's not the contain, it should be contain. Okay, what does contain do? If you see contain large as possible while still containing the source. Within the targeted box, as large as possible while still containing the source entirely within the targeted box. Okay, yeah, this is good for us. So if you see, you get the image, right? You get the image. Now you can also select or you can also upload it. So you get the image. Now you can upload it. So what we'll do, this row, let's put this under a padding. Okay, so you can either select so what you can do, instead of select, if it's already there, right? So if the selected image is not null, selected image is not null, then you can show the constant selection. So reselect. So what is the word correct? Reselect or something? Select another. Select different. Or select different. Okay. So now if you save this, and if it's already there, then select is correct and put this in comma. Okay, select different because there's already one. Even if it's not there, then there will be select. Okay, that is correct. And so now if you click on select different, it should again pick up the same thing. So let me download one more image. Okay, so let's go to Pexel once more. Let's go to Pexel and we'll go to history of Pexel, history. Bring up this image. This image and go back here. So it went away because the state got changed, right? So let's do once more time. Go on select. Just select this for the first time. Now you have select different. Click on select different. Click on this. See, the previous one got reset and this one got inserted. So this is what we wanted. So now you should work on how the upload things work. Let's work on the upload thing. So let's go to Chrome once more. So we want to see upload image to Firebase storage. Upload image to Firebase storage using Flutter. Upload image with plus storage on Flutter. So you can get the Firebase storage and create a reference to images while the file names are in the reference point to different files. So not a reference name and not path, put file, put string, update for my files. So you can get the application documentary directory. For a string. After uploading a file, you can get the URL download by following that get download URL method on the reference. Contents reference. And manage upload. So for the upload, take that first one and open the quick file large file. 1 second. For now, we'll just do upload. We'll not put the tracking like upload percentage, and we'll do that in later on. But I think it's getting late for today. So what we can do is create a storage reference from our app. To upload a file to the storage file, first and create a reference to full path of the file, including the file name. So you get the instance Firebase storage. I think we should not follow this. Firebase storage Flutter. So let's pick up this medium 2-minute read. Okay, sorry, I did not put up the Chrome, right? Okay. So this is the one we are trying to solve. What we can do is Cloud Storage is designed to help you clean. The first step is setting up your project in Firebase storage. Here is the storage in Firebase storage. The final results are aiming at this, having an image uploaded from. So we need the Firebase storage. So let me go to let me download the Firebase storage first. Firebase storage. Okay, that is done. Now, before starting, we must first enter we have initialized Flutter file. This is usually done before we have done this. And return the future, update your main Flutter. Okay, we don't want up to this. And okay, the storage is by calling the instance get on Firebase. So I don't know this image picture and Firebase store instance with the gallery pick file. Upload file. So in the upload file, let's see what will they do. They'll put the file name, destination, files, and Firebase storage file instance of reference and destination child.file. Okay, let me go to Firebase. I'm not showing up this one now, but yeah, you'll surely get after some time. Storage, and to go to Firebase storage. So to storage and start setup allow it right start in production I'm just setting up the storage on Firebase. Okay, next plus storage location. This location I previously set, so I'm doing it on Firebase. I'm not showing up this request or some. I really don't know what I can show from Firebase one, but I'll surely show you all the things from the next videos. So it's creating a default bucket. So what the article is suggesting is that we get the path. So up to this we already did, right? Like we are taking help from here. We already got up to this. So we need to upload the path, and we also need to provide a file name for it. Okay, so this is what we want. But file name we'll always put something in the file name, like no, we will not need. Okay, we'll put the timestamp in the file name so that we do not clash with other files. Okay. So on Firebase, this file is up. Okay, so let us do this. So what we first need to get the instance of Firebase storage. Okay, we need to get the Firebase storage. If you see using the instance Firebase storage. Okay, so let me go back to VS Code. So what we need to do in the repository, so first we need to get the instance. Okay, like how we got for Firebase store, we also need to get for Firebase storage. And Firebase storage. Okay, we need to get the storage. Let's call it, instead of Firebase storage, let's call it storage. Firebase storage or instance dot. Okay, and if you get the storage now, in the upload picture we'll get the string as path. Here if you do Firebase storage dot path dot we need to, if you see on the this one, right? So what are they trying? They're getting the instance, and using the instance they are directly calling a reference on the destination and the child of this. Okay, so dot reference returns a new reference. If the path is empty, the reference will point to the root of the. If the path is empty, the reference will point to the root of the bucket. Dot child returns a reference to the relative path from this reference. Relative path from this reference leading, trailing, and consecutive slashes are removed. So here we want to do pictures. Okay, and the reference on the, it was saying the destination. Just so I'm copying 2 lines from the. So these are the 2 lines that came here. So the base name, quick fix. So path. If you wanted to get the file name, right? So this path will contain the one. Let's go here once, and on this selected image provider, image or path. What else can it provide? Image or path. It can provide also the name, right? The name of the file. So let's do one thing. Let's debug print this path. Debug print to string. So when we select an image, we'll also be getting the name to see like what is the name that is getting printed. Okay. So, restart the app. The repository will have some issue, so let's kill this issue first. So this is done, and the view.dart also we have one issue. Verification. Oh, upload pictures. So this one, let's comment this out for now. Restart the app. App did not restart, it seems. It says the URL isn't defined. Picture of the day, update picture of the day URL. Okay. Upload picture, it's because we'll be passing the path here. Let's restart the app once again. Okay, it got restarted. So now when you select an image, Okay, it gives the name as this, so it gives the extension and the name of it. So we wanted to get this name. What we can do, so in the provider, instead of on this provider of the picture, instead of string, what we can do X file. Okay, we'll get the X file, and on the view, we can do file selected image. No, we'll get selected image dot path. Okay, selected image. So here it will put the complete image here. So how this will help is in this upload picture, right? We'll not pass the path, we'll pass the file directly. So string id reference upload image. On the upload image, we'll pass the id also and the X file also. Okay, X file. We'll pass the file here. In the upload picture, this will be X file here. So the file name will become something like this. So file.name. Okay. And destination will become pictures. And the reference we can pass the destination. This should work for us. And in the view, the upload image, we'll call the upload image from this. When you click on upload, so you can just call it from like this. We can call upload image. So we have the ID of it. So in the upload image, we need to pass the ID, right? So we'll get the ID from general task. General task.id. Then we need to pass this widget reference. Here we'll pass the reference. And one more will become the file that will be the selected image. Okay. These three things are necessary. Ignore the error for now. We need to reload the page and we'll get. So we'll get the file, and we need to pass the file from here. And what will this do now? Now, if you do storage dot we wanted to get the URL of it, right? So destination storage, and if we await from here, await reference, which is not a subtype feature. 1 second. So let me go back to the thing and put file. We get a reference and we need to put file. Okay, so we'll get the reference from here. Okay, we'll get the reference. And now what we want reference dot child delete get data. We want to put file. We need to put the file here. So we'll do file dot path. We need to import the IO. Okay, we get the path, and now this should return a future upload task and upload a file from the file system. The file must exceptionally. You can also set metadata onto the uploaded object. If you await for this, now if you get a reference dot we wanted to get the URL also, right? So how do you get the URL? Let me once again go back to the it was a reference. He uploaded the file, and what did it do at the end? So it's not the correct thing. Let's see this. Instance reference, we have passed this. This is correct for us. And upload task and put file. Okay, download URL. And we need to upload reference. Okay, download here. We need to get the reference and the download URL from this. So put file, if you see, right? So let's go back to VS Code. So this is uploaded file. So we need to get uploaded file dot reference dot get download URL. Fetch a long-lived download URL for this object. So this will be the URL of it, and reference, return a new reference. If the path is empty, the reference will point to the root of the storage bucket. Child returns a reference to the relative path from this reference. Return the relative path for this reference. Let's see how this gets saved. Okay, so when you click on upload picture, this should save it and get you the download URL. Let's see if it gets us upload picture. So when you upload image and upload image, this should get the URL. Let's see if we get the URL. Okay, so let's do debug print URL. We get the URL, then we also upload this, but I forgot to do one more thing. So instead of this file name, we also need to do datetime.now. So datetime.now milliseconds, microseconds, milliseconds in epoch dot to string and file name class. Okay, so whatever the name was, we'll edit to epoch so that every name is this one. Let me restart this now. Pictures and yeah, that's it. So you select a picture, this one, it comes here, click on upload. It did not show an error or anything. It did not say any error or anything. So let me go to my Firebase. It feels strange when things start working on the first instance. So it did not work as expected. 1 second. So what did we do? We did upload image and upload picture. Let's call a debug print from here also. Debug print. Uploading picture. And so put this under equal result so that we can only get this. And here we can do something like this and URL result. You filter out only the result part of it. Type state provided string is not a subtype of string. It's spell okay, we got that. Let me stop the emulator once. Debug. I'm running it once again so that if the issue is because of the new package, then it should be gone. So we are taking the provider as repository provider, that is correct. And we are uploading the image, we are passing the file. The file is an X file. And selected image is also the X file if you see. Okay, that's it. Okay, it came up. So select image. We selected one. Upload. Uploading pictures worked, but we don't get the URL. So we also got the result for the URL. So the picture is saved, that we know. If I go to Firebase now and refresh the page, it's got saved now. 1 second, I'm checking on Firebase. It's okay. Let me show you the Firebase itself so that if there is something wrong, I'll check it out later. Let me put my Firebase also. You can see it, I guess, now, right? Yeah, you can see my purpose. So this is how we design. Don't go to the design now. I'll show you right later on, like why I designed it this way. I was talking about general, right? So if you go to general, go to this picture of the day. So you get the URL that is working for us. Firefox. Go back to this. So this is the URL. Second time it should not pick from the URL, but it should pick up. So selected image. If it's null, then this one, or else this one. If it's not empty, right? If it's not empty, say pick up this, and it's not empty. So if it's not empty, if it is empty, something is so It's not empty. This time it will not be empty, right? So this will not be empty. If it's not empty, means there is an URL. If there is an URL, then if it's not empty, then we need to show it from network, right? Let's try out one thing. So selected image. Selected image is not equal to null, then load it from file. But if it is null, then pick up from same thing, pick up from image.file, image.network, generate as a picture of the day. Save it. So now I should pick up from this one. So image.file will be empty. So let me restart the app. So this time it will be coming from database. So it should not pick up from file. We should still get the image, right? Okay, we are getting it. So it's picking up from this. So we are getting it from network and network. And if you see double scale height width, there is a height and width. So will the height and width will do the same thing as what it is for the other. Save this. Okay. Image network. Okay, so how this work is, now you cannot upload because this is already selected image. You can select one more, select this red one, click on upload. This is uploading, right? And it's already uploaded. Now even if you restart the app, so but if when it loads, right, then so when it is uploading, why is it not changing the state? Update picture of the day. And update picture of the day with a new picture. That is correct. But if you see, there is still an uploaded. This should not be there because so what we can do here, this should be something like this. So status equals to null. So once you upload it, once the upload is successful, we'll change this back to null. Okay. Let me restart the app once again. Okay, so you select this picture will be coming from database. That is correct. Select the other one. Click on upload. Once it's uploaded, we should not get it, and the picture should be loaded from database. Yeah, that's what we want. The loading state and all this we'll get to later, but I think for today that should be enough. So what we wanted to achieve was we can select an image, upload it, and once it's uploaded, fetch it from the uploaded one and do not show it. So, but there's one problem regarding it. So I was showing you the Firebase thing, right? So let me show you one more thing. So you should see my Firefox now. If I go to storage, see it's creating this as name and putting as pictures here, right? So this is not the correct way. So what we can do is close this, and here on the repository, not on repository, it should be, yeah, on the repository. So it's putting the name as picture, but this should not be it. So if you see, it comes a reference or related path from this reference pictures. 1 second. So picture should be the name of the folder, and inside the folder, the image should be coming, right? So file name. File.name. So file extension. What will be the extension? Will be that file name dot split dot get the list one. It can negative result is the result of negative. So the extension, so and file name will become split extend this and prepare everything. So the how do you get the file name? So let me move on. It is with path package. The last will get this is correct, but in the path package has this. So let's see what the path package can help us with. So we don't have to do all these things. Path. We don't have path. Yeah. So your path we can do something like path let's pull up a simple okay. So that we can directly use it. here this is where we want to place this path dot extension of the file name. So final file name is equals to file dot name dot base name. Get the part of the particular class separated. So what we can do, we can put the file name something like this, and get the epoch and get the extension. Extension closer. This should be the file name. This should be the file name. So we get a file name. Pictures file name. Let's see if this can also achieve the same thing. One second. Go here, you already get a file. Select the other one. Load. File is uploaded. Extension and okay. Remove this because it's working now and save everything. Restart the app. Go to picture of the day. You get the picture. Select a different one. Hit on upload. To upload it, it will be loaded from the network. And on Firebase, this should be under the field called pictures. And yeah, works. Okay, that was it for today. I think it took a lot of time, almost 2 hours. It was supposed to be only an hour long. But yeah, there are some things we learned, and but still we achieved this what we wanted. We can upload a picture, and these pictures were saved on Firebase storage and we'll get the URL. We don't have the loading state and the picture doesn't look good. We'll try to fix this tomorrow, the UI part of it, where we can put a loader if it's fetching it from the network. And when you upload, we'll also, since Firebase also provide a way to say how much percent it's already uploaded. So that also will do it. So we'll show you if it's uploading, and when it's done, then we'll put a loader and get this. So yeah, so this is the code for it. So we have select image. This will pick up an image from gallery. We're not giving an option for camera because we want photo shoot already be there. Then what we're doing is, in the selected image, we are directly passing the X file so that we can use it throughout. For upload image, we're putting the file and we're updating the picture of the div with the URL that we'll be getting from this, and we're changing the text to null. So, and here this is similar like yesterday's one, picture of the day. And if you see here, this is where we made the change. So if it's not empty, right, if the URL is already there, then put up a column that will have a row where we'll have the upload and select this one. But if the selected image is not equals to null, right, that means you've just selected just now, you wanted to upload something, then we'll fetch the image from file because we'll not have the URL, right? But if it's not there, then that means there is already a file because we already passed this condition, right? So it's not empty. So it's already a link. So just pull it from the network. The height and width, this is not the correct way. Like we'll try to find a good way of like what the height and width should be so that it looks better. Then for the button, the select and select different is based on select image. If the image is already selected, then we'll give this as select different, or else we'll get the select. And when you press, you select and pass the reference. Similarly for upload, we'll just upload the image, pass the analytics ID, reference, selected image. Okay. So yeah, that's it. There are some UI fix that we can do, but that we'll do tomorrow. And I hope you learned something. So we learned about uploading image and how it's done. I also showed you a little bit of Firebase, and yeah, please don't try to exploit the URL, that link and all that. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll do on the UI things, and I think that should be it for today. If you have any question, please comment out, and if you want some specific things, so we can discuss tomorrow if you join me. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.